Prediction Machines: The Simple Economics of Artificial Intelligence, by Ajay Agrawal, Joshua Gans, and Avi Goldfarb explores the transformative power of artificial intelligence, AI, through the lens of economics. The book argues that AI's most significant contribution is its ability to make predictions faster, cheaper, and more accurately than ever before. Rather than portraying AI as an all-powerful force that will take over human jobs, the authors present it as a tool that enhances decision-making by reducing uncertainty. They emphasize that AI does not replace human judgment but instead complements it by improving predictions, which are at the core of business and economic decision-making. The authors explain that AI is fundamentally a prediction technology. Predictions are valuable because they allow businesses and individuals to make informed choices about the future. With AI lowering the cost of predictions, organizations can integrate AI-driven insights into their operations, leading to increased efficiency and profitability. The book underscores that AI should not be feared as an existential threat but rather understood as a means of enhancing productivity across various industries. One of the core ideas in the book is that when the cost of something decreases, its use increases. As AI makes prediction cheaper, its applications expand beyond traditional fields like weather forecasting and stock market analysis to customer service, healthcare, and logistics. However, with this increase in AI-driven predictions, the value of complementary human skills such as judgment, creativity, and emotional intelligence also rises. The authors highlight that AI is not a substitute for human expertise but a tool that makes human decision-making more effective. Businesses that integrate AI successfully must rethink their decision-making structures. Since AI generates predictions, organizations must determine who will use these predictions and how they will be acted upon. The authors emphasize that AI's benefits are best realized when companies redesign workflows to accommodate AI-driven insights. They introduce the concept of decision-making units, where AI provides predictions, and humans apply judgment to make final choices. This synergy between AI and human judgment is crucial for maximizing the value of AI in businesses. Another key theme in the book is the role of data in AI-driven predictions. AI models rely on vast amounts of data to improve their accuracy, meaning that companies with access to high-quality data have a competitive advantage. The authors discuss the implications of data ownership, privacy concerns, and the economic impact of data-driven decision-making. They stress that firms must carefully manage data collection and usage, as ethical considerations and regulatory frameworks play an increasingly important role in AI adoption. AI's impact on the labor market is another central discussion in the book. While many fear that AI will replace jobs, the authors argue that AI's real impact is shifting job responsibilities rather than eliminating employment altogether. As AI takes over routine prediction-based tasks, the demand for human skills that complement AI, such as interpretation, strategic thinking, and interpersonal communication, will rise. They suggest that workers and organizations should focus on adapting to these changes rather than resisting them. The book also explores how AI influences competition and market dynamics. Companies that successfully integrate AI into their business models can gain significant competitive advantages by improving efficiency and reducing costs. However, widespread AI adoption also creates challenges, such as the potential for monopolization by firms that control the best data and algorithms. The authors discuss regulatory considerations and the need for policies that promote fair competition while fostering innovation. Throughout the book, the authors use real-world examples to illustrate AI's economic impact. From self-driving cars to medical diagnosis and personalized marketing, they show how AI-driven predictions are reshaping industries. They emphasize that understanding AI through an economic lens helps businesses and policymakers make informed decisions about its adoption and regulation. Ultimately, Prediction Machines provides a clear and accessible framework for understanding AI's role in decision-making and its broader economic implications. The authors encourage business leaders, policymakers, and individuals to embrace AI as a tool that enhances human capabilities rather than as a force that replaces them. By focusing on AI's potential to improve predictions, organizations can leverage its power to drive innovation, efficiency, and growth.